Jai Hind everyone, welcome to the class. Let's start with the practice set of adjective. जो adjective की हमने examples, rules हमने किए हैं, उसी पे based हैं ये examples. Let's start with the first sentence. Kolkata is further from Alwar than Jaipur. क्या आएगा जी first sentence में? Yes, it will be farther. Farther क्यों आएगा? Because further means following. Further means following. He went to America for further studies, and farther is used for distance. Right. Next is Ramesh is smarter enough. Smarter enough to get selected for the post without any recommendations. क्या आएगा सेकेंड सेंटेंस में? अब आंसर तो आपने ठीक बताया, बट कैन एनीबडी गिव मी द लॉजिक व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज स्मार्ट? क्यों लिखा जाएगा स्मार्ट एनफ? Yes, very good. Because we have to use positive degree. We have to use positive degree. It will be smart enough. And here enough is used as adverb. और आपको मैंने शायद पहले भी बताया है कि enough जो है that is used both as an adjective and adverb. Just a second. Enough जो है that is used both as an adjective and adverb. अब डिफरेंस क्या है? एज एन एडजेक्टिव इट इज यूज्ड बिफोर नाउन और एज एन एडवर्ब इट इज यूज्ड आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव. तो यहां हम लोग जो यूज कर रहे हैं वो आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव यूज कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज स्मार्ट इज एडजेक्टिव and we have to use the positive degree of adjective. Here enough is used as adverb. When it is used before noun, for example, if you say I have enough money to buy a car, here enough is used as adjective and money is noun. And in the next sentence, he is wise enough to solve the problem. He is wise enough. Here wise is adjective and enough here is used as adverb. So ध्यान रखिएगा कि enough जो है that is used both as an adjective and adverb. When it is used as an adjective, it is used before noun, and when it is used as adverb, it is used after adjective. Right. Now come to the next sentence. Next sentence is, yes, the third sentence is he said, comma, inverted commas begin. Priyanka is the most unique singer of our college. Priyanka is the most unique singer of our college. बताइए जी क्या एरर है इसमें? Yes. Most तो error है, but why it is there? Why this error is there कि most नहीं आएगा? Yes, very good, Karan. Now Now look at this. There are few words, few adjectives that are used as superlatives. That are used as superlative, and no adverb is used before them. No adverb is used before them. इनके पहले कोई भी एडवर्ब यूज नहीं किया जाता, जैसे वेरी, सो, वेल, प्रिटी. एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री इज नॉट यूज बिफोर them because they themselves are in the form of superlative. Write down few of the adjectives like perfect, absolute, full, complete, entire, whole, chief. Please bear with the writing. Extreme, unique, universal, circular, square, round, flat, impossible, etc. These are the adjectives that do not take any adverb before them to emphasize on the degree. To emphasize on the degree. If you write, he is the most perfect member of our society, or more perfect, that is wrong. That is wrong. So we do not have to use any adverb before them. Right? Clear to everyone? I hope this is clear to everyone. If you want to have the screenshot, आप screenshot ले सकते हैं इसका. चलिए जी. नेक्स्ट देखिए एग्जाम्पल. तो यहाँ मोस्ट नहीं आएगा. प्रियंका इज द मोस्ट को काट देंगे हम यहाँ से. इज यूनिक सिंगर ऑफ आर कॉलेज. द मोस्ट नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट इज दिस शर्ट इज कंपैरेटिवली बेटर. ये मैंने आपको बताया था. यस, वेरी गुड. इट विल बी comparatively good, because comparatively and better, they both are comparative degrees. So two comparative degrees are not used together. Comparatively good. Next is everyone was surprised to note that Rahim married a girl who was more beautiful and more tall. क्या आएगा? Very good. It will be more taller than he. Next is lots of books on English grammar are available with me, but this one is the best. क्या रहा है इसमें? बताइए जी, what is the error in the sixth sentence? Very good. It will be a lot of. A lots of की जगह सिर्फ आएगा a lot of books on English grammar. Next, I told her that it would be all the more better if she herself talked to the groom. Very good. I told her that it would be all better that द मोर जो है वो यहाँ यूज नहीं करेंगे, दैट इज रॉन्ग. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? It would be all better if she talked to the groom. Clear? Yes, very good. Here I am proud of you all. अगर आप लोग ऐसे ही काम करोगे तो you will be getting good marks in English. Now look at the next example. She does not have some money to buy a new refrigerator, so she is worried. Yes, very good. Because some is used in the positive sense, and for the sake of request, it can be used in the interrogative sentences. But any is used in the negative and interrogative sentences. Any is used in the negative and interrogative sentences. So it will be, she does not have any money to buy a new refrigerator. Next is, nowadays the weather is getting more cold and colder. Very good. It will be colder and colder. Colder and colder. जैसे आप करो, he is becoming stronger and stronger day by day. He is becoming stronger and stronger. तो यहाँ हम लोग दोनों जो डिग्रीज लिख रहे हैं, दे शुड बी इन द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, ऑल्दो देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन, बट बोथ द एडजेक्टिव्स हैज टू बी इन द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. नेक्स्ट इज, all the books were indeed interesting, but that one was the more interesting. क्या आएगा इसका? Very good. It will be, that one was the most interesting. Next, there was only 2 warriors, but each and every warrior was equal to 6 persons. Yes, very good. तो यहाँ क्या यूज करेंगे हम लोग? We have to use नहीं, आपने एरर तो बताया कि ईच आएगा, ईच ऑफ देम आएगा, बट क्यों आएगा वो बताइए प्लीज. बताइए, शाबाश. Yes, very good. Because each is used for 2 persons. So यहाँ दिया हुआ है, there were only 2 warriors, but each and every की यहाँ जगह आएगा each warrior. अब यहाँ each of them यूज नहीं करेंगे. each of them अगर यूज करते हैं तो ये each जो है वो क्या बन जाएगा? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन बन जाएगा. वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन बन जाएगा. बट व्हेन इट इज each warrior, तो ये यहाँ एडजेक्टिव का काम कर रहा है, बिकॉज हियर इट इज यूज्ड जस्ट बिफोर द नाउन. When this word is used just before the noun, it becomes distributive adjective. When it is used before preposition, it becomes pronoun. Clear? Yes, countable तो है ये, but the main thing is we cannot use each of them. Each of them will be wrong. Each warrior will be the correct one, and moreover, each is used for two persons or things, and every is used for more than two. Next sentence is, hold the chapter of this grammar. Very good. It will be the whole chapter of this grammar book is full of errors. The main thing is, whole से पहले the use करते हैं. The is used before whole, and all के बाद में the use करते हैं. All the books, the whole class. All के बाद जो भी noun होता है वो plural में होता है, और whole के बाद जो noun होगा that will be singular, not plural. Next sentence is, can we rely on this agency for the last news of the day? Yes, very good. It will be latest, not last. Ram is junior than Shyam, and Ram is older than Ganesh. Yes, very good. Because junior के साथ हमेशा to use किया जाता है, and older के साथ than ही रहता है. And moreover, we have to find the error in one part only. एक किसी भी सेंटेंस में जो एरर होगा वो एक ही सेंटेंस में, एक ही पार्ट में होगा. ओल्डर के साथ than यूज करते हैं और एल्डर के साथ to यूज करते हैं. सेम इज द केस विद जूनियर. जूनियर, सीनियर, प्रायर, इन सब के साथ to यूज करते हैं, और older के साथ than यूज किया जाता है. Right? I hope the things are clear to everyone. There will not be any problem in this chapter. Right. So one more thing is there, you have to find out the errors in your assignment. आपकी जो adjective के assignment है, please वो भी कर लीजिएगा. Saturday और tomorrow और Saturday जो भी होगा मैं कल आपको बता दूंगी. तो हम लोग कल यही कर लेते हैं. एडजेक्टिव की इसकी जो बुक की शीट है वो साथ में कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज इससे क्या होगा कि आपकी साथ के साथ हो जाएगा, इससे बहुत सारा पेंडिंग रह जाएगा. ठीक है? टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. जय हिंद, जय भारत.